Hey guys, what's up? It's Tish. Today I'm doing a quick tutorial of this beautiful burgundy look. It's super quick. It's like an easy tutorial. I could have blended better, but it's okay. With this highlight, oh my gosh. Okay, anyway. But yeah, it's simple and easy. I just noticed I didn't mention in the video that I already did my cover up and foundation, so yeah. But before I get to the actual makeup tutorial, please go subscribe because you will love to watch my videos. You will love me. But anyway, yeah, whatever. Let's get to the video. Okay, so I was talking and I thought I pressed like record on my phone and I didn't. So I'm like already started on one eye. So basically I already remember what I said. Shoot. Fuck, this messed me up. I'm not wearing any like lashes or anything, putting anything on or mascara on them because I get them done, which I've told you guys in previous videos, which for any newbies, just so you guys know. But anyway, I took this burgundy color right here, and I started right here already. I'm so mad. I do that sometimes. There's sometimes where like I'm recording a whole video, and it's not even recording. There's so many times where I fucked up where my camera was blurry. Wow, you guys understand. I go through some rough patches. Look at this shit. Ready. So I'm gonna take my little thin brush right here. I'm gonna use the same burgundy color, and I'm gonna go underneath my eye. Okay, so I'm trying to find another like sparkly, glittery like burgundy color, and I think I found one. So I'm going to spray my MAC Prep and Prime on my brush to get it more pigment. And dab that where that color is. I'm using this one right here. And I'm just taking over that spot right in there. Oh wow, perfect. I didn't think that was gonna be that good. I'm obsessed with it. Okay. Lucy, no barking. Makeup tutorial time. My dog listens to me pretty well. I feel like I'm her favorite of the bunch. Well, okay, that's that. I'm gonna go back in with that burgundy, and I'm gonna go around it a little bit more. I'm gonna get more of this deep corner right in here. Wow, I'm so in love with this. Oh wow. It's so pretty. I like that. Okay. So now I'm gonna take this like really pretty like color right here out of the Makeup Revolution London. And I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with that. Take this little brush. Something light. And I'm gonna take it in my inner corner of my eye too. My thin brush and dab it in between my eyes right there. So now I'm gonna take my Jesse's Girl White Liner and I'm gonna put it on my waterline. I think I told this, well, for my new people that just now watch my videos, I told you guys before that, let's see, that like this white liner because it's more natural. So then I'm going to take him. I haven't used this mascara in a while. I had it for a minute. I'm going to take my Katy Cat Eye mascara. It's by Katy Perry. And on the bottom of that, I don't have my mirror. I need a mirror to look close up. Shoot. Darn it. I got this though. By the way, this is my CoverGirl. So I'm going to do my highlight real quick and then we'll get to lipstick. So in my highlight palette, inside Beverly Hills, I'm going to use Tourmaline. I think it's Tourmaline, whatever. And since it kind of like has like a little pink glowish to it, I'm going to use that. So there's that. So I'm going to spray my face with my Urban Decay De-Slick. And ow. In a lot of my tutorials, oh no. What is that? Whatever, a little smudge, I'll fix it. Alright, so I'm about to go fix my hair up a little bit and then I'll be back and I will do my lipstick and end the video. Okay, I'm back. I didn't really do much to my hair besides shit. I hate when I can only see like certain stuff in like my bathroom mirror. And my bangs didn't go how I want them to go. But it's whatever. Okay, so I'm going to take the Katy Cat Matte Katy Perry CoverGirl lipstick. So, okay. And put it on. Alright, but anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you guys liked it. It's a really quick, simple, like, makeup tutorial, like, burgundy look. I'm obsessed with it. I like it a lot. I do. It was quick. Quick and easy. But, alrighty. Hopefully I should be able to do another makeup tutorial this week, or I might do something different, actually. Maybe a mukbang. Basically, in this video, I want to say my YouTube channel is basically going to be makeup tutorials, but I'm also going to do other fun stuff on the side. Like on days where like I don't feel like doing a makeup tutorial or something like that. It's not all going to be makeup tutorials. I know like YouTube channels usually stick to one thing, but mine's going to be like a variety of things, like different things. I hate doing the same thing over and over again. But yeah. So before I end this video, I want you guys to please go ahead real quick and thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and have a great day.